Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can enter pairing mode in your SoundCore Life P2i earbuds. So first of all, you have to remember to remove these stickers from your earbuds, and I'm going to show you where it's located because there is a chance that you probably miss it. So when you take it off the case, right here you can find the stickers. It's attached to these metal pins, and when it's attached we are unable to turn them on. So from the both earbuds you have to remove the stickers, and after that you have to open the case and then click and hold this button until this indicator on the front starts blinking. In the most cases it will be turned on automatically. There it is. Next, when you go for the pair new device, they will appear on the list. So as you can see right now we are able to pair them with the phone, and that's how it looks. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.